Graphology is the art of reading person's thought process through handwriting. That is why in terms of graphology, handwriting is also known as brainwriting. Planning and execution with graphology. Let's find out how well a person plans and executes. We can find this trait by looking at small f in writings. If we divide small f into parts, upper loop and lower loop, then upper loop stands for planning and lower loop stands for execution. If in person's handwriting upper loop is properly formed in small f, then that person is good at planning. Versus if lower loop is properly formed in small f, then that person is good in execution. If a person has an upper loop properly formed but the lower loop is missing, then that person plans more but is not able to execute as much as he or she plans. If a person has small or missing upper loop and has bigger and properly formed lower loop, means a person is more into execution instead of planning. This type of person is generally spontaneous ones. These will directly jump into actions as soon as something comes to their mind. Person having both upper and lower loops in F properly formed means he or she plans and executes both well. Example 1 and 3 are good traits to have. But example 2 will not help you succeed, as you will only keep on planning without taking any actions. If you already have good execution loop, then keep it up. And if the execution loop is missing or not well formed, then keep on practicing execution loop till it becomes your habit to write that way. If you like my videos, then do hit the thumbs up. Also do subscribe, share and comment on my videos.